spirit
to
like
jump.
Of the yin and the yang, you have an abundance of yang.
Yeah, what's the yin and the yang?
But without
The
yin,
good and the
yang
bad?
dies.
Positive, negative,
Oh, yeah.
fire,
We are
water,
prisoners here.
Oh.
evil, good.
Prisoners and privileged guests.
Anything
What?
that's the
Yeah.
opposite.
One and the same. If you are unable to protect yourself in the kingdom, it is I who will be killed. Do you understand? Good. We begin with roots. You have been conscripted into the court of Kublai Khan. For what, I do not know. I am 100 Eyes. I'm kept here to train the Khan's sons, his nobles, his pets. You shall be tutored in the Mongolian ways of the horse.
You there?
Huh? I'm falling asleep again.
You shall be tutored in the great arts of the
Everyone's
East.
sleeping.
Of scholars and artisans loyal
sleepy
to
house.
Lord Kublai. Languages and letters. Hawking and archery. And in the end,
Why did they have their hair like that?
Yeah, braided. I don't know. Ask your great great grandma. I don't know why.
Yeah.
You ask her. Maybe she knows why they have their hair like that.
Braided hair.
Get hungry. Get hungry. See, he knows that.
Yeah,
Get.